Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha. I've cleared SBI PO 2020. Today, I'll share with you a few tips through which you can maximize your score in the descriptive paper of the mains exam. To begin with, the fact that your answers are going to be checked by the computer cannot be stressed enough. You have to be very careful about the spelling mistakes, grammatical and punctuation errors. Further, keep a track of the word limit and please ensure that you do not fall too short of it. As per this year's notification, there will be 3 questions for 50 marks, out of which 2 questions are compulsory. That is the email and the report. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में आप प्रेसी राइटिंग या फिर सिचुएशनल एनालिसिस में से कुछ एक सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लीज इंश्योर दैट यू लर्न द रूल्स ऑफ राइटिंग ऑल दीज. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अगर आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो लैपटॉप पे प्रैक्टिस मत कीजिए, एक सेपरेट कीबोर्ड यूज़ कर लीजिए और प्रैक्टिस करते वक्त आप नोटपैड एप्लीकेशन का यूज़ कीजिए. MS वर्ड को यूज़ मत कीजिए क्योंकि MS वर्ड में स्पेलिंग और ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स हाईलाइट होते हैं और नोटपैड में ऐसा नहीं होता है. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी to not start your sentences with the same pronouns multiple times. For example, it. Don't start your sentences with the word it multiple times. Try to read a paragraph from any book or newspaper every day till the exam. It will hardly take 15 to 20 minutes of your time, but it will immensely help you in framing sentences during the exam. During the actual exam, try to complete all your answers before time so that you can go through them once and rectify your mistakes if there are any. In the end, I would tell you to use simple words and sentences to convey your thoughts. It will eliminate unnecessary errors during the exam. That's all for English descriptive. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section. Please stay tuned and subscribe to Camouflage and Cutoffs.